I tried Specter Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Specter Wallet app, I expected a clunky, developer-focused Bitcoin tool. But after 7 days of using it daily, the shocking truth is that Specter might be one of the most powerful and secure Bitcoin wallets ever built if you know how to use it. On day 1, setup took a bit longer than usual, but that's by design. Specter isn't just a wallet, it's a Bitcoin command center. You can connect it to your own Bitcoin node, ensuring complete privacy and control. No data leaks, no third-party servers, just you and the blockchain. By day 2, I realized this wallet is all about self-sovereignty. Specter supports hardware wallets like Trezor, Ledger, and Coldcard, and even lets you create multi-signature setups. That means you can require multiple devices to approve a single transaction, something most people get wrong when they think secure means just having one password. Midweek, I tested its advanced transaction tools. You can manually set fees, label addresses, and preview exactly how your Bitcoin moves through the network. It's not flashy, but it's precise, built for users who value transparency over convenience. By day 5, I felt like I was running my own mini bank. The interface is simple yet incredibly detailed, and the app never once crashed or lagged. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Specter Wallet isn't for everyone, but for Bitcoin purists who want full control, it's nearly perfect. It's a kind of wallet that teaches you more about Bitcoin just by using it. If you want ultimate privacy, transparency, and independence, Specter isn't just a wallet, it's your key to financial freedom.